Hello, and welcome to
Poetry Corner.
I am your host, Calvin B. Doss the First. I would like to share with you some classical poetry from the great Jack Prelutsky. From his tome, I Have Lost My Hippopotamus, illustrated by the incomparable Jackie Urbanovic.
Today's poem is called My Elephant Paints Pictures. My elephant paints pictures, gems of color, shape, and line, aesthetically superior to every one of mine. His drawings are exemplars of fluidity and grace. I scribble worthless doodles I should probably erase. He shapes exquisite statues using nothing but his trunk. I sculpt atrocious eyesores, unadulterated junk. Though I lack his native talent, nonetheless I'm sort of smart. So I've started taking lessons from my elephant in art.
Thank you for joining me. I look forward to your next visit.